Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's lesson is very special. Many English learners believe that becoming fluent in English takes many years, expensive courses, or living in another country. But the truth is much simpler. Just one focused hour a day can completely change your English skills. Yes, only 1 hour every day. This method is called the 1 hour rule. Successful learners around the world use this rule to build powerful skills step by step. In today's video, you will practice English with a story, learn new vocabulary, improve your listening, practice speaking naturally. So relax, listen carefully, and practice with me. Let's begin. What is the 1 hour rule? The 1 hour rule means you spend one focused hour every day learning something important. If you practice English 1 hour daily, your brain slowly becomes stronger in the language. Imagine this, if you practice 1 hour every day for 365 days, you will study 365 hours in 1 year. That is a huge amount of learning. Small daily habits create big results. Learning English is a dream for millions of people around the world. Many students want to speak English fluently, but they often feel confused about where to start. Some people think learning English is very difficult. Others believe they must study for many hours every day. But the truth is much simpler than that. You do not need to study all day. You do not need expensive courses. What you really need is consistency and a simple daily habit. One of the most powerful habits for learning English is called the 1 hour rule. Just 1 hour a day can change your life. To understand how powerful this habit is, let's listen to a story about a young boy named Daniel. The story of Daniel. Daniel was a 16-year-old boy who lived in a small town. He was a good student, but he had one big problem. He could not speak English well. In school, Daniel learned grammar and vocabulary, but when he tried to speak English, he felt nervous. His words came out slowly, and sometimes he forgot what to say. Many of his classmates could speak English better than him. This made Daniel feel embarrassed. One day, his English teacher asked him a question in class. Daniel, can you explain this paragraph in English? Daniel stood up, but he could not answer. His mind felt empty. He looked down at the floor and said quietly, "Sorry, teacher, I don't know." Some students laughed. That moment made Daniel very sad. That night, Daniel sat in his room thinking about his future. He said to himself, I want to speak English confidently. I want to understand movies, books, and conversations. But how can I improve? While searching on the internet, Daniel found a video about the 1 hour rule. The speaker said something that changed Daniel's life. He said, you don't need to study English all day. Just practice one focused hour every day. If you do this for 1 year, your English will improve dramatically. Daniel decided to try it. Daniel's 1 hour English routine. The next day, Daniel started his new routine. He divided his 1 hour into 4 parts. First, he listened to English for 20 minutes. He listened to simple English stories and beginner podcasts. At first, it was difficult. He could not understand many words, but he did not stop. Next, Daniel read English for 20 minutes. He read short stories designed for English learners. Sometimes he read the same story 2 or 3 times until he understood it. Then Daniel practiced speaking for 10 minutes. He stood in front of a mirror and spoke English about his day. Finally, Daniel spent 10 minutes learning new vocabulary. He wrote 10 new words in a notebook and made sentences with them. Every day he repeated this routine. Slow but powerful progress. After 1 week, Daniel noticed something interesting. English words started to feel more familiar. After 1 month, he could understand simple English videos. After 3 months, Daniel started speaking English more confidently. His pronunciation improved, his vocabulary grew. Most importantly, he was no longer afraid of making mistakes. Daniel continued practicing 1 hour every day. He did not skip days. He did not give up. After 1 year, Daniel's English was completely different. He could speak with international students online. He even started helping his friends learn English. People often asked him, "How did you become so fluent?" Daniel always gave the same answer. "It's simple. I followed the 1 hour rule." Just 1 hour a day can create powerful change. If you practice English every day, your brain slowly adapts to the language. Your listening improves. Your vocabulary grows. Your speaking becomes natural. The most important thing is consistency. Your 1 hour English plan. You can follow the same plan Daniel used. If you follow this routine every day, your English will improve faster than you expect. Remember this powerful idea. Practice 1 hour every day, and just like Daniel, you will see amazing progress. 1 hour a day can truly change your life.